going in my head.
Safety.
I love it.
So you're gonna get in? I was gonna say.
Get off, you're done. Give me a jump.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is built by Blake and Dean. The GC8 is finally getting some time in the sun now after well, what's been for us just working on the GTR constantly forever and a day. You can see the position that's in. And in this episode we are looking at, well, we're just doing a bit of an update really, because there has been so much going on between just in the background of getting parts and getting shit while we've been working on the GTR. Dean has made the mounts for his driver's seat and has mocked up roughly kind of where the passenger seat will go. You can see obviously there's a huge difference in height and distance in the car for the driver's seat. Obviously the driver's seat, it matters where the driver is sitting because they need to be able to see, that's helpful, and they need to be able to touch the pedals, also very helpful, whereas the passenger seat kind of just gets put down as low as you can go and as far back as you can go, just to get the center of gravity down to make it better balanced really. There has been a quick release steering wheel put on and Dean has been playing Fabricator at the moment for one of the coolest parts of this car now, which it's a PE engineering, PE racing, something along those lines, pedal box, which is f***ing wicked to be honest. It's basically what you get in a V8 supercar. They are worth a pretty penny, but for good reason. So you've got your clutch here, clutch cylinder, and your accelerator here, which is the exact same as a regular accelerator clutch. But you've got these two cylinders off the back of the clutch pedal, which are connected by this, which are connected by these two rods here. So these two cylinders, obviously front brake, back brakes, and you can adjust these accordingly so that you can press down on this, and if you press down, you might have, if this one's extended longer, this one will be on, like, it'll give you 60% brake bias towards the back rather than the front, or vice versa. It just gives you heaps more versatility. There's a little bit of dicking around that goes with the pedal box, and that is actually putting it in here and making it so that the driver has good reach. It's not too close and it's not too far away. That's also part of the reason why Dean put the quick release steering wheel on, because Dean cannot get in and out of the car without taking the steering wheel off, being positioned where it's positioned. The pedal box, getting it fitted to where it needs to be. This could take a long time because it's one of those things that you need to get right. But we've come to the conclusion that you can see in there, that little part right there. We're just gonna cut it out and just weld in a plate. And then hopefully that's all good. We've kind of put our thinking caps on and we thought, well, why is that bulge even there? Only thing we can put it down to is the turbo dump. And if it is the turbo dump, then when we actually mock up everything else and make everything else, then we can work around that. If it's only a dump, then it's fine. We thought it may have been something more like a starter motor, but obviously that's on the GTR, they're on that side, Subaru's on the other side. Also, this thing, nice pretty thing, this is for that, something along those lines. Once again, just so that you have something to brace your legs against when you're going very, very fast.
Can't you get to him like a human, be upside down and shit. Do 80 by 100 mil even, 100 mil. Slip it in there, push it on there, scribe it, cut the cunt, put it in there, make a little piece up for here, pocket that.
So interim update, we are back. Pedal box is now fully mounted. Seat got moved back and down about 25mm back, 10mm down. Pedal box is mounted and looks f***ing so professional and legit. And now Dean's just making a false floor.
Out of my head.
Safety. You right?
Yeah, fucking love it.
So he's just making a false floor for his heels to sit on. Obviously when you're sitting in the seat, so you've got like that nice real feel. And he said he mocked it all up yesterday and it is Mickey Mouse now. So, and then all of the other little bits and pieces that I'll try and time lapse to do to prep your car for paint. Probably what I'm going to do now is take the front bar off. That's going to be fully Frankensteined and just chopped up and fiberglassed up to do what we need it to do. We are on the way to prepping for paint. Anything else that needs covering, I'll cover it on the way, but yeah. So back in the shed, another day. I'm in the middle of fiberglassing the back of this up so that we can prep the front bar for paint. And Dean's in the middle of the latest edition, which Dean actually jokingly said in our group chat, I'm going to put a hydro in this Ned and I kind of thought, yeah, that's funny. Sure enough.
Reverse entries.
Here it is.
Pastrana.
So Dean said today, come round to the shed today because I'm mocking up the bracket for the hydro, and we once again thought he was taking the piss, but no. So this seat is now in as well. That's obviously my seat, so that's bolted back and down as far as it can go. Dean's seat and his little false floor that he made the other day is done. So now make the hydro bracket, make it do its thing, and then probably rip the dash out, rip everything out after that, rip all the wiring out and all the headlights and shit. But pretty sick that we got a hydro.
The paint. The computer. Put a carby engine in it. Get an outlash in it.
I was going to say, you're going to get in. I was going to say.
I'm definitely getting in. Get block, you're done. Pastrana, let's go. Give me a jump. Yeah. It actually looks so insane. As long as that is cool.
So that's this episode done, and it wasn't actually going to be this episode done, but this episode, well, like in real time, this was one of those occasions where I came in literally like a week later, and it was just, there's just so much stuff. Next episode, I hope you're sitting down. So split this episode up just for the sake of, it was just too much going on. It was going to drag out to be way too long, and it was just going to be too much to try and get across. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that one. The car is like crazy now. Like it's honestly so funny that the car has a hydro, because if that's not like painting a picture for exactly how this car is going to go, then there's plenty more where that came from. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a like and a comment. It helps way more than you think. It truly does help way more than you think. I know there's a few guys out there following along in this now, and it's sick to see. So plenty more reps to come of the GC8. It's just about to get way out of hand. So anyway, we'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Ever since you shut the door on everything we knew, you're too late for love, feeling your true love, feeling on love, feeling your